Hello guys, I have shared you the solutions of questions which I have discussed in my previous video. Now in the more video I am considering these questions which are of DFA. So in this video I'll discuss all the questions of DFA. So here we have some questions and we will try to design the DFAs of all those questions. The first question is all strings ending in 00. We have to design a DFA which has the strings which end on 00. So what we will do, we will take a state q0 and we will take a 0 and we will take a q1 and we will take a 0. So 0 is the part of the string, means it is alphabet of the string. Now why 00, we are reaching to the final state q2, that is q2. And now if we will get a 0, we will stay on q2 because any number of zeros will produce the string 00. As the 1 occur, we will come back to the initial state. In the same manner, from q1, if we will get a 1, we will come back to the q0. Okay, so this is the basic DFA which can be designed for this question. Next question is all string with 3 consecutive zeros not necessary zeros last. What is this? Not necessary. I think what not necessary at the end. It is not necessary that 0 should be end, but there should be 3 consecutive zeros. That is very simple. We will take a initial state, that is q0, and we will take alphabet 0 and 0 and 0. Okay, then we will make a final state. At this final state, any number of zeros can come and any number of 1 can come. Or and from q1, if we will get a 1, we will come back to the q0. In the same manner, we will, at q2 we will get a 1, we will come back to the q0. So this is the basic design of DFA which is required for these questions. Now moving to the next question, that is question number C. All strings that are written exactly 4 zeros. So it is saying that we have to design a string which has exactly 4 zeros, not more than that, not less than that. Okay, so very simple it is also. What we will do, we will take a q0 is initial state, and we will take a 0. Now here you should think that we will make a state, final state, like that it should be considered 4 zeros. Okay, exactly 4 zeros. If it will reaching to the more number of zeros, then it should not be a final state, it should be discarded. It should be goes to the discarded state. So it is simple. We are designing it 0. From 0 we are reaching to q1, from another 0 we are reaching to q1, from q1 to q2, and from q2 to q3, and other 0 from q3 to q4, and q4 is a final state. And different states in between, like q0 we have the alphabet 1, then we will stay on the state, and at q1 we will get a 1, then we will again stay on the q1, and at q2 we will get a 1, then again we will stay on the q2. So in this manner, this is easy question, and we have designed the DSA for this question. Now question number D is all string ending in 1101. So quite simple. What we will do, we will take a initial state, that is q0, and we will take one alphabet of the string 1, then this one is transferred to uh, it provide transition to q1, and we will take another one and it will provide transition to q2, and 0 it will provide transition to q3, and 1 it will provide transition to q4, and q4 is the final state. Now we will take a different alphabet other than this string. Like at q0 if we'll get a 0, then we'll stay on that state. At q1 we'll get a 0, then what we'll do, because we want consecutive double one and then 0 1. So as we will get a 0 at q1, we will come back to the q0. In the same manner, at q2 we'll get a 1, then we'll stay on 1, because it doesn't affect the our string which we are trying to design. At q3 if we'll get a 0, then we'll again come back to the q0, because if we'll go to the q4, then it will also disturb our string sequence. Now we reaching to the q4. If we'll go to the q4, then what we can do, we can do transition q4 to q0, q1 or q2, and we can do on any state. In the same way, from q4 to 0, for 0 we can also transfer the transition from q4 to q0. Here we can't transfer the this to q1 or q2, because it will affect the sequence of the string. So this is for question. Moving to the next question. What is next question? All strings of length at most 5. So here we have to design a string which have length at most 5. At most 5 length hai, and it can be less than 5. So every state, initial state and final state, so it is very simple. We will provide the transition from 0 1 to next state, and as we reach to the fifth state, in the sixth state we will provide the transition to the discarded state. So question number next hai, all strings where every odd position in a 1. So it is also simple. Every odd position is 1. Empty strings does not violates the definition of set. Okay, so this is the basic note that empty string does not violate the definition of set. So okay, what we have to do here, all strings where every odd position is a 1. Every odd position is a 1. So what is, we will take a q0. So as it is saying that empty strings does not violate the definition of set, so it is considered a final state. Then again we'll provide a 1. As we'll provide the 1, we'll reach to the next state, that is q1, and 1 is the odd state, so we'll get a final state here. And then if we'll get a 0, we'll come back to this state, and again we'll get a 1, we will reach to the final state. And from q1 if we'll get a 1, we will come to the q0, and q0 is also a final state. So this is the structure of the DFA. And from q0 we will get a 0, we will go to the discarded state. Okay, next question is, all strings that contain an even number of ones, maximum 2 states. All strings contain an even number of ones. So it is very simple again, all strings that contain even number of ones. So even number of ones, how can we achieve? If we have a 0 strings, that it has a even number of state. So okay, at q0 we will stay here. If as we will get a 1, we will lose to the q1, but q1 is not a final state, because we will get a even number of ones. As we will get a 1 from here, we will reach to the q0 is the final state. Now we have a even number of ones. Okay, at q1 if we will get a 0, we will stay on here, continue. So this is the questions of DFA. Moving to the next questions. All strings which do not contain the substrings 1 0. All strings which do not contain the substrings 1 0. Now we will design a strings which have not 1 0. So here what we have to do, it is very simple, but we have to do, we will design a DFA for the string which contain 1 0. Okay, so how we can design that? Let's say we will take a q0, and we will provide a transition from 1, then we'll reach to the q1, and then from 0 and will reach to the q2. So here we are designing a DFA like for the string which has 1 0. When we'll reach to the q2 will have final state, and we'll provide a transition 1 0 from here, and from 1 here, and from 0 here, q0 from 0 q0, and from q1 for 1. So what is question is all string which do not contain the substrings 1 0. So to design this DFA, we will reverse. What will reverse? We will make a final state to non-final state, and non-final state to final state. So exactly what we did here, we'll make a q0 is a final state, q1 is a final state, and q2 is not a final state. So this is a question which we can solve like this. Question next है, either begin or end with 0 1. Either string is beginning with 0 1 or ending with 0 1. It is also very simple. We'll provide a uh, state q naught, and we'll take a 0 and 1, we'll reach to the final state. So it is beginning with 0 1. How we can achieve the ending with 0 1? If we'll come back from q1 to 0, then we will take a 1 here, and we will come back from 1 and q3 from q3 to 0 transition, we will reach to the q4, and q4 to 1, then we will reach to the q5, and other transition we can make according to the requirement. So it is not an issue. Okay, so it is very easy questions. I think you can get all the solutions of this question. In the same manner, there are two questions which are listed below, so these can also be solved like this. So thank you guys. If you like this video, then like and subscribe my channel, and we'll get a next videos and solutions of next questions which I had discussed with you in my previous video. Thank you.